Hi everyone. Today I was just gonna show you how to take X-rays on Romexis. First, you turn on the computer, and then there's an icon here on the left where my mouse is. Say Romexis on it, so just double click on that, and a screen will come on. Okay, and what you want to do is most of the time your patient will not be in Romexis, so what you want to do is you find your patients first. You can find them by name or ID, MRN number. So you want to go to find by name here. Last name first, so I'm gonna do test. What you want to do is press enter, and then find to see if your patient is here or not. If they are not here, what you want to do is you want to go to the right here where my mouse is. That said add patient, so you want to click on that. So what you want to provide in here is where it say patient ID, you want to put in the MRN number. So I'm just gonna do 1 2 3 4, and then you want to put in the first name, last name, and date of birth. Put that in, and when you're done, you want to click here on the bottom where my mouse is to click on save patient. Once you save patient, just click on that, and then you want to open this up. So automatically go to file here on the left here. So that's patient's file, which means patient's last name and date of birth. So if you take an X-ray, you want to go to the tab below it where it say imaging. Click on imaging. Okay. And I'm gonna kind of zoom in here. So once you're in imaging, you want to go where my mouse is right here where it says new study, layout, new study. So you want to click onto new study. This is just all the template here on the left. So just for example, if you're taking 4 bite wings, you click on 4 bite wings. If you want to do 2 bite wings here, we have 18 FMX, endo, PAs, pedo, occluso. So today I'll take 4 bite wing. So you click on the 4 bite wing, and then you want to click here, okay. Just click on that so that your 4 bite wing mount will come on. So what you want to do is you have to so under input, there's a tab here. It's the middle one for the scanner. It looks like a scanner sign. So it's actually Twain Capture, which is similar to Acquire. So you want to click on that, and then now you want to plug in your sensor. Make sure your sensor is plugged in. This screen will come on, and then I'm gonna take 4 sample bite wings. So, and then this is the patient's right. The x-ray will come on. So I just took a molar shot on the patient's right molar, the patient's right bite wing. So what you want to do is you want to click on get image, and then it will ask you how to rotate. So for the right side, I have a little cheat sheet here. So for the right bite wings, you want to select the top dot, which is here where my mouse is. That's the right orientation. And then what you want to do is you want to click save. So I'll give everybody a cheat sheet for the first day so that we know how to rotate this image. So just click OK, and then once you get the image, you capture again. So I'm going to do another one. I'm going to do the premolar now. Still premolar on the right side. So what I want to do is get image again. Okay. So it's asking me to rotate. So same thing. If it's a bite wing BW on the right premolar here, it will be the dot on the top. So what I want to do, I put the orientation here on the dot on the top, and then click OK again, and then your picture will appear on here. So now I'm going to the left premolar. So I forgot to click acquire, but you could still click the capture, train capture, which is acquire, so it will go up, it will come on. See the picture came back on. So you get image. So on the left bite wing, the arrow point down. So you want to select that bottom orientation, which is on here where my mouse is. Click on that. It will rotate the picture to the right orientation. Click OK. I'm going to be on my last bite wing here. So I'm going to start capture scan again. Image will come up. Get image again. Get image. Rotate. Same thing. Bite wing on the left. Point down. Click OK. Just say if you don't like one of the X-ray. Just say if I don't like this X-ray right here. This X-ray right here. I'm gonna get rid of it. So what you want to do is you hold on to it. Put your mouse on it. Hold on to it. And kind of drag it up here, and then release it. And then it will ask you detach image. Do you want to detach the image from the study? You just put yes, and then this will be deleted. So let's say I want to retake this. I capture again. I'm gonna retake that. My picture will come on, and then this is the patient's left, so I'll get image. So left is down, the orientation is down, so I click OK. and then there's my fourth one. So if you want to view a single image, there's an icon here to expand. Just say if you want to expand this one, there's an expand box here by itself. So you can and then there's also a magnifying glass is here, so you can kind of expand it here or minimize it here, and then just go back to the picture here. Okay, and then you can also view your study over here on the left to see all the x-rays that was taken for this patient. I can view the 2 bite wings, the Alpha Max, and then you just click here, view study on the left. And then those x-rays will appear. So to email an image, just say we have 4 bite wings here. I want to view this 4 bite wings. So you want to have your email up. If you want to email a picture to someone, you want to have your email up, and then there's an option on Romexis that you can, up here where it's file, I don't know if you see it, there's a file button right there. Let me just kind of clear it up. File. So when you click file, there's an option for email. So you just send 2D image by email. That's how you send it by email. Okay. And to export, there's an export button here as well. You can export. Say if I want to export this out, so there's an export on output. Output is export, and you want to make sure your image format is in JPEG 2000. And then you want to select a folder here, where it says folder, and then you want to put on your desktop. I already have a folder that I want to put it in here, and then you just click and just press OK, and then just say the patient is, and also you want to put a file name here, and then click OK here, and I'll go back to my desktop. This is the new folder in my desktop here. Let me see. And there you go. There's 4 x-rays here that I exported from Romexis. Import is almost the same. So if say if I want to export something from my desktop, or you want to put it in your folder in your desktop and then import it into Egosoft. So you want to do import. Let me find import. Here you go. It's under input, import image. So you want to go import image. Just say I want to. Let me see. Folder, and then I want to import this image here. Just click open, and then you could still, and then just click OK. Or you have to put the file name. Just says intraoral here on the left. Just put intraoral, and then the date it was taken today, and just click OK. And then that's it. So just say if you want to import it into this 2 bite wings, just put import. Just find the folder. There you go. So I'm redoing it. So I'm importing this picture into that to right wing. So I just put intraoral, click OK, and then the picture will appear here. Yeah, so if you're doing a full mouth series, I will have this for everybody to use. Just say if you're taking a full mouth series, you go to new study, which is up here, and this will pop up, and then you do 18 FMX, and then your 18 format will be here. So you just wanna, whatever you're doing first, you just wanna do one at a time. Just one picture at a time. Rotate them. Get the image, rotate them, and then place it where you want it. Place it where it belongs. So if you're starting a lower right first, you take that first lower right and then you put it in the right lower right. So if you're taking a molar lower right, you put it over here. You're taking premolar lower right PA, you put it over here. You just want to do one at a time, okay? Because of the rotation, we don't want to have any error with the rotation. So we'll do one at a time and then place it in the box where it belongs. Thank you.